Hey tech friends, welcome back in tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to share music in Instagram through direct message. So in this, I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to share music in Instagram through direct message. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your Instagram application on mobile device, and before that, make sure you will be logged in that. So you can see on the top on the right side, one messenger type icon is there. Tap on this. Inside that, whom you want to share, you have to select that chart. So I will select one. Yeah, now you can see on the down one plus type icon is there. Tap on this. Inside that, now you can see here different options are there like create orders, location, imaging, and stickers. So tap on stickers. Inside that, you will be getting two options. One is cutouts and second one is music. So tap on music. So here you will be getting different types of music. If you want to search any music, you can see here search music option is there on the top. So you can search anyone and you have to tap one music like this, and in this way you can share that music to that person whom you want to share on a Instagram. So in this way you can share the music in Instagram through direct message. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.